heart of a dense, untouched forest, where the moonlight barely peeks through the canopy of leaves, there lives a tiny creature. A creature of light, a creature of courage. We call this luminous hero the brave little firefly. Once upon an enchanting twilight, the brave little firefly was born. Small and timid, the firefly was unsure of its place in the vast forest. Every creature seemed so grand, so important, so radiant. But the firefly, with its infinitesimal glow, felt insignificant and undervalued. However, life in the forest is ever-changing, always presenting new challenges and adventures. One day, a thick, ominous fog rolled in, blanketing the entire forest. The moon's light was hidden, and the forest's inhabitants were lost in the haze. Panic swept through the woodland creatures as they stumbled blindly through the murk. In the midst of the chaos, the brave little firefly realized something. It might have been small, but it had something unique, something that none of the other forest dwellers possessed. It had light. It understood that size didn't define bravery or importance. So, gathering its courage, the firefly began to glow brighter and brighter, piercing the fog with its radiant light. Guided by the firefly's glow, the forest creatures found their way, one by one, to safety. The little firefly, once deemed insignificant, had become their beacon in the darkness, their guide through the fog. As the fog lifted, the forest was filled with the sounds of gratitude and respect for the brave little firefly. The tale of the brave little firefly teaches us a valuable lesson. It shows us that no matter how small or insignificant we may feel, we all have a unique light within us. We all have a purpose, a role to play, and a contribution to make. It's not about how big or bright you are, but about recognizing your unique ability and using it to make a difference. So remember, like the brave little firefly, let your light shine. Embrace your uniqueness, and never underestimate your ability to make a difference. After all, even the smallest light can guide others out of the darkness.